Alright guys, welcome back. So let's quickly go through how to use the custom video effects. The custom video effects is just for to help you to customize your videos. Let's say for instance you've created a video and then you want to merge it. Maybe there are 2 or 3 15 seconds videos, but you want to have what we want is like a 1 minute or 1 minute 30 seconds video. You know the template on those apps, on the various apps, I think the highest is around maybe one minute or so. So but you want a longer video, so you can just create like 3 or 4 different videos, continuation. Maybe you finish creating the first one, the second one will be the continuation of the first one, and you want to merge them. So this is where you do that video merge. Then for when you want to add watermark or overlay to your video, this is what this one does for you. It creates video. Then the video speed changer helps you to reduce or increase the speed of your video. This is very important if you want to use voiceover and then maybe the video is too fast for the voice, or is too slow for the voice. So can actually use the speed changer to change the speed. So let's start from the first one, create video. So you just click on start now. Then it will give you the option to upload an already done video. You know why this internet is not. Okay, so select the video you want to add watermark to, or you want to add overlay. You can also change the size of the video from this place. Okay, so I'll just pick up the one video from my desktop. You won't be able to see my desktop, so I just pick up when I pick up. Okay, let me pick up this. Okay, so I've uploaded the video now, so uh, you can change your background. This black space, you can change it to white. You can draw it, see, or put it back in black. Okay, please let me play this video and see if there's something else.
Are you looking for a professional and experienced on-site makeup artist?
So you can actually make it square instead of 9 into 60 ratio that is this. So when it's square, it's a bit bolder, or you can leave it as it is. You can zoom it to fit in, or zoom it in. Because also that's the things you can do with your custom video effects. You can add watermark, like if someone if you want to send a sample to your clients, but you don't want them to use the video when they've not paid you, so you can just add your watermark to it. So it just will be like a sample. So when they are done and when they are satisfied that okay they want to go ahead to pay you, so you just come back and edit it and remove the watermark and save it again and send to them. So let's say you want to add a watermark. So what you have to do is just click on open, then you use the image or anything you want to use as the watermark. Then you pick your overlay image. Then you pick the image. Let me pick one image from my okay. I'm trying to get an image. Okay. Let me just use my company logo. Okay. So I use the logo as a watermark. So I've already picked it also. You can increase it or make it smaller or whatever size I want it to be. So I just pick it and drag it wherever I want it to be, and then click OK, then done. The watermark is added. Once you play the video, that particular logo will show up
Don't know who to
every
trust to get
single of the
exactly
way.
what you
So
want
it's
and at
difficult for
affordable
anybody
rates.
to just pick it up and then use it to
Go further. We have a premier
maybe
makeup service in your area providing
that is
exceptional
one.
professional and convenient service right at your location. With us, our team brings knowledge,
Okay, so when you are done and then, or maybe when you send it to the person and the person is ready to pay, you want to remove the watermark, you just upload it back to this place and then you clear. When you click on clear, the watermark the image you have uploaded will go. So you just move. When you are done with everything you want to do, you are satisfied, just save your video. Okay, this my recorder phone is blocking this stuff. Okay, I think it's saved now. So okay, let's this my recorder icon is sitting on this button. I couldn't I couldn't see what is there, but I think it should be something for you to save or to render it. And the thing is not the recorder is not moving. You're supposed to drag it from that place. I don't know why it's not moving. So let's just go back to the app and pick up the second one and work on it so that we don't waste time on this one. So at least you've seen how to use that for your watermark. But what you put overlay is always the same process. You just pick up the picture and then you put it. So if you want to merge 2 or 3 videos, this is what you do. You just start. Click on start now. So pick up the videos you want to merge in the order you want them to be merged. First one first, followed by the second, the fourth, and that. So let me pick up two. Let me just pick up 2 videos. So when you are selecting, you just click on the video, then go down to the control button, then pick up the other ones. So to upload the videos, let's wait for it to upload. Okay, so the first video is done. It's uploaded the second one now. Okay, I think the second one is done too. Okay, so we have 2 videos here. So you can change the size of the video when they are done. What size do you want them to have? Is it also um the default size, or you want it to be wide or square, or you want it to be a story like Instagram story, um, size, or what it will be cover, like a Facebook cover or Google cover or something. So it depends on what you want. Just choose the one you want from the video and then from the size. Then the merging node, you want it to have border that it will separate that. Okay, this is the first video is done, then it started the second one. This is what the part. But if you want it to be zoom and crop, it means that everything will fit together. You will know where the first video starts, where the second one starts. I mean, where the first one ends and where the second one starts. So that's the difference between these two fit mode. Then once you are done with the fit mode, you choose your music. Maybe you want to use background music. So you can always download from inside the other apps to use for the background music. Then pick up your music, or if it's voiceover you are using, you've already recorded it and then downloaded it to your computer. So you just pick it up and then put it in the app, put it in your video, and then you merge it. So it will join the two videos together to make them one, and then you can. So after, if for instance after making these videos you still want to put watermark in it, you download it from there. When it's done here, you download it, then you now come back to upload it from
engagement. Want to
like the one we
avoid the
did
common
before.
and hit
So you
mistakes
upload it
that
and
cause
then
many
you
to
add the
fail.
watermark. This that I just went.
Most popular ad assets, and that video is taking over online marketing like nothing else, creating a flood of traffic, leads, and sales. But doing it the wrong way when actually that's where we come to the rescue. Updated with all the best strategies to create winning campaigns that increase your conversions, all while spending as little as possible. We learn everything about your business, your target audience, the best way to construct your video ad, and everything in between. Plus, your results are guaranteed or your money back. So, what are you waiting for? Take your business to the next.
Searching around for an amazing bed and breakfast? Want to ensure you're
They
staying at
have
the best
different
bed and
phones
breakfast
because
at the
I don't
best.
choose music.
Since the
But
bed
if I choose
and breakfast is more centered around comfort and convenience, finding an ideal
that
B&B
background music also,
that
instead
suits your
of having
specific
different
needs is crucial.
voiceover.
Don't worry,
So
you covered.
that's how you
Here are one solution to all B search engines.
then when you are done you can just click on the download button and you download it. So I just wanted to show you the download button in case you didn't notice it. So when you are satisfied with your merging, you just click on merge videos and then you open up this video for you. So you play it and see how it comes out. If you are satisfied, just click on it and you download it to your computer. Let's go back and pick up the last one, custom video effect. Okay, so the last one is just to show the clip, and this one that was very easy and straightforward. So you start it, and then wait for it to load up. Then you choose the video you want to change the clip. So you wait for it to load up. Okay. Alright, so it's done now. So the speed of this one is 2x. You can still increase it to that's the maximum. So what you can do is to decrease the speed, make the video a bit slower, or if you don't want to do anything on it, so there's no point upload it in the first place. But if you want to change the speed, maybe you want it to be rhyme with the voiceover that you are using, and you think the video is too fast for the voiceover, then you can just reduce the time, the speed of the video, and then when that is done, you accelerate the video, and then I won't click on this because I don't want to waste time waiting for it to load up again. So when you click on accelerate video, if you change the speed, then you can download it again, and then you have your video speed page. So that's how to use the custom video effect. So let's quickly walk through the three videos again. So come back to them. Okay. So the first one is to add watermark overlay, change the size, able to square, or you want it to be wide or back. So this is where you do it. You can zoom it in or zoom it out the video. So this is where you do it. This create video. Then the second one is for you to merge 2 or 3 or more videos together. Let's say you've created videos and then you want them to be on a single video instead of having them in different videos. You want them to be on a single video. So you just click on that now, select those videos in order you want them to appear in the new video. So click on it, then bring up your upload your videos, and then you upload your music, your background music, and then you merge them and download to your computer. Then the last one is to change the speed of your video. Maybe the video is too fast or it's too slow, or you want to change the speed. This is where you do it. So I hope this video helps you to work on it, to use the video custom video effect. So I will pick up like 1 or 2 other ones, and then we work together. I will walk you through how to use it again. So thank you guys for watching.